starting it off here at 8:11. Let's take a look at current conditions out there. Let's get on with that. It's currently 54 degrees outside. Not bad. Been a beautiful day. A bit warmer than what we've been having. Winds are calm at the moment. Not any wind out there. Rainfall, well, we haven't seen it. It's been very scarce this month, which I've had some people write me, and they're like, well, I don't remember it being this dry in October. Well, October is typically the driest of the months. But we do have some good news, though. There is some chances of rain. Anyway, taking a look at Doppler radar out there. Clear scan, nothing out there at all at the moment. We'll move on to tonight's forecast, which does show some showers to the west and maybe some thunderstorms. Of course, that's over Mississippi ahead of that cold front that's going to start to move in. Tomorrow night is when the rainfall should be here. So overall tomorrow, actually that's tonight. Let me change that. That is tonight. Got it confused. So that is tonight's forecast. To the west of us, there is some chances of some showers and thunderstorms. Overall, it'll be clear over here, or clear to cloudy, partly cloudy. 59 degrees for a low tonight, a little bit warmer than what we've been having. Now, let's move to tomorrow, get things straight here. Tomorrow, Thursday, it'll be a high near 70 degrees, chances of showers and some thunderstorms. The highest threat will be over northwestern Alabama. Around Florence and Russellville, they'll have the highest of the threat of any thunderstorms, and then it'll continue to progress to the east. We will get some very light amounts of rainfall, some really, really light amounts of it. Some areas may not get any measurable rainfall at all off this system, but taking a look at the 4-day forecast for Thursday, anywhere between 30 to 60% chance of some showers, maybe a thunderstorm, high 69 to 73. Now, overnight Thursday, again, will be the best chances of any of those thunderstorms, anywhere between midnight and into the early morning hours of Friday. Moving on to Friday, a 20 to 30% chance of some showers in the morning. That's with that passage of that cool front. It'll begin to clear out, so it'll be most likely sunny by the evening hours, afternoon, evening. High 70 to 74, low 44 to 48. Then Saturday, sunny skies, high 72 to 76. Now that cool front's not going to bring, any real cool air in here. I mean, it's going to be a rather weak one. Low 46 to 50 Saturday night. And Sunday will be sunny, high 68 to 72. Now, let's get on into the 6 through 10 day outlook, and this is where things get kind of interesting. Now, this is the 6 through 10 day temperature probability outlook. It's valid Tuesday the 24th to Saturday the 26th of October. And as we can see, those warmer temps starting to make their way in here. 80s to the west, upper 70s, possibly low 80s in the northeast Alabama area. Overall, it does warm up a bit. Now, let's move on to the 8 through 14 day outlook. We got a bit of a cool off starting Monday the 23rd to Sunday the 29th. So we will get some of those temperatures to back off just a bit by then. Upper 70s, low 80s for that. And we'll move on. Here's the news that I've been wanting to tell everybody about. The rainfall outlook has updated a bit. This is valid Tuesday the 24th to Saturday the 28th. And we're starting to see some of those rainfall chances increase and start to come back. So that is some good news. It looks like we will get some more rainfall eventually. Moving on to the 8 through 14 day outlook, of course, looking like some rainfall. Again, we don't hold the 8 through 14 days, in stone because they do change a lot. So we'll keep an eye on that and just see what happens. But it looks like the rainfall is going to return. Taking a look at the GFS outlook, we'll have the system move through on Thursday night into Friday. There's that system. And we'll have another one that could potentially bring a very strong cold front in here around the 30th and 31st of October. Now, here's the GFS looking at that, the 28th. Got some showers in the northwest. 29th, showers and thunderstorms to the northwest with a very strong cold front supposed to pass by anywhere between the 29th and 30th, 31st of October. And this thing is going to be a strong cold front. So let's check that out. Now here it is looking at the temperature model. There's the 30th and 31st. Look what some cold air that thing brings in here. Look at that. That is a very, very strong cold front that's expected to move through anywhere between the 30th and 31st of October. Now, this thing could bring some below freezing temperatures to the area. This could be some of the coolest air that we've had come through all year. Taking another look at another model here. Let's take a look at it. This is going to be October 31st. Look what's some cold pocket of air right there over us. Now, some of that could be below freezing, and it could bring some snow in to the northern parts, like up north. Really too early to determine if anything like that will happen here. That's almost impossible to, forecast. But something we'll need to watch, and a very swift warm-up will come after this, so it will warm back up. And just a reminder, we are starting to get into tornado season, which will be in November, so keep that in mind. We will need to watch that, but a lot will probably change as we get closer to the time period. We'll update then, but it does look like there's a very strong cold front going to come in around the 31st, and a lot of models are in agreement with it, so usually that is a great sign that it's definitely going to happen. So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at the precipitation outlook anyway. This is starting or ending Wednesday, October 25th, so basically we're not going to have hardly any measurable rainfall out of this system and all the way to the 25th, but we will have another system that will start to come in. Again, that'll be closer to the 31st. Maybe the next Friday we could have another system come in. It seems like I've seen something about that on there when I was looking at the models. But this is what we've been doing today. Went out, top of Bug's Pocket. I'm sure everybody's heard of it. Went up there. The fall colors, they're kind of there. I mean, not all that much. It's not completely peaked out just yet, but we did get some photos. This is just 2 of them, and I've got a ton more I got to get up, but just a beautiful view, beautiful day out there. It was a little bit hazy, though. Seems like there was some smoke coming out of the south from somewhere. We'll take a look at when they will peak out. Looks like our peak, again, will be anywhere between late October to early November. So somewhere right in there is when we'll start to get those peak colors, and I believe once we get this really cool air and some rain, we'll really start to see those things change. So taking a look at the fire alert, and it remains in effect, of course. No burning, no burn permits. They're not going to issue any of them out. And DeKalb, Jackson, Marshall counties in the red of that. Elsewhere in the yellow, further south would be in the green, which is fine. Nothing going on. So if you don't be burning anything big, let me just put it that way. A little campfire, that's all right, but something big, I wouldn't recommend it until we get at least 2 inches of rain and we can get some of this drought out of here, because it's just been crazy. So let me get ready to wrap it up for the YouTube side. Hope you have a great rest of your night. It's 8:18, currently 54 degrees outside. Winds are calm out of the south. It's going to be another nice day tomorrow, of course. A few more clouds than what we've had, though, and there will be chances of rainfall as well. So keep that in mind. Maybe keep an umbrella handy, but there won't be a lot of rain out of this thing. Again, some areas won't even get any measurable rain at all. So that's it for the YouTube side of things. God bless. We'll see you on the next one. And please like and subscribe if you like our content, and we hope you will. So take care. God bless us. See you on the next one.